So we are all here at home, law-abiding, while outside we see the virus thriving. You may think that I speak of COVID-19, but there is something else, unheard and unseen. Something bigger yet put on hold. Something that affects all of us, young and old. It's the thoughts that without warning enter your head, cripples your dreams whilst lying in bed. The sitting alone with no one to lean on, the stress, the anxiety, depression, the list continues. It's a fight that even you might have within you. So don't tell me that it's not important. Suicide rates are rising, or do you need me to spell it out for you for reinforcement? Mental health has worsened by 8% since lockdown started. 56% anxious, stressed, and thousands broken-hearted. Only 1 in 8 of us has access to private outside space or a garden. Yet you can only go out for a limited time. I beg your pardon. And what about those with an existing illness, who don't recognise the nurses that tend to their every needs on a daily basis and don't understand the rise in cases? And as we head into a second spike in COVID, the impact on mental health needs to be noted. People need help to get the services up and running to provide support for those now struggling. So we can't wait for this coronavirus to halt and wither, for mental health is becoming an even bigger killer. 150 dead in the last week from ending their own life. We need to ensure that in future crisis we don't put mental health to the back of our minds and always remember to just be kind.